Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I keep my keys on this lanyard, otherwise I put them down somewhere and then lose them. It's getting a bit tired, so I want to make a new one. I got these brass shackles off eBay. The size of them is going to determine what size the strap needs to be, so I can set the strap cutter and then cut a piece of leather. Before I built this, I did try having my keys on a chain, but I didn't like how it jangled around like a jailer, so this works so much better for me. The trouble is, I've been doing some decorating and managed to get the old one covered in paint. You can cut the strap however long you want, but I basically want it to be able to lift it up from my belt to a Yale lock. I punch a couple of holes in each end and then I can fold it over and set a brass rivet on. You can get very simple kits from Amazon for setting rivets. You just hit them with a hammer, but if you've got a nice press like this, it does make it easier. The rivet set, it's formed a loop at either end of the strap, and then the shackles can go on. So the first shackle I put in and the bar goes through the loop, and as you can see I fit a split ring on there for my keys to go onto. Second loop, the shackle goes through and then I twist it round so the bar is at the bottom. I then have this brass fish hook that goes on and the bar goes through that. I got this from eBay as well. Don't ask me for links to the shackle or the fish hook, there's hundreds on there. Just go on eBay and type in brass shackle or brass fish hook. The bar for the shackle is a little hole in, so just make it a little easier to tighten up. You can thread a screwdriver in and spin it. And that's it all done. I slide the fish hook under the belt and then loop it over, and then my keys can go in my pocket. Never losing them again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.